Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your room colors are not showing. So as you can see in here, in this floor plan, I have my floor finishes, which I'm using my color fill legend, so I have my color scheme here applied, but I do not see any colors for my rooms. And the way to turn them on is to go to visibility and graphics, here on the rooms category. If I will go to my rooms, if you click on this little plus button, you will see this color fill in here, and you just need to turn it on. And now if I hit apply, you can see the colors are in there and working nicely. The next thing which you can be doing is using a filter to change the color for selected rooms. For example, here in my rooms filter, I have my filter set to filter rooms which are called bedroom. If I will now turn this on, you can see that I have my color set to be magenta. If I apply and OK, you can see that this filter takes precedence over the color scheme settings. So my bedrooms are now magenta, even though they have carpet in them. If I would now, let's say that I would want to see only bedrooms with the color of my filter, like here, so I don't want to see anything else. If I will remove now the color scheme, you can see that I do not see the filter working. And it is because even though it is set to override with the solid fill, it doesn't have anything to override actually. And the way to turn this on is to go again to my rooms, click on the plus button and turn on the interior fill. If I will turn now interior fill, you can see that now the filter is working because it can override this interior fill graphic to be magenta. So this is how you can see your room colors in your view in Revit.